Number 1. Listed in Bauxite, Arkansas for $4,000, this 1975 Chevrolet 1500 is an appealing option for classic truck enthusiasts. The truck features an automatic transmission and a bright orange exterior. While not in perfect condition, it has undergone some key upgrades, including Flowmaster exhausts and new tires. Powered by a 355 V8 engine and a one-piece driveline, the truck runs, stops, and is ready for use. However, some work is needed on the front end. Though it lacks air conditioning, the heater works well. If you're looking for a rugged classic truck, this could be an attractive choice. Number 2. This 1974 Ford Gran Torino is listed in Tacoma, Washington for $4,500. With only 62,000 original miles, this classic is powered by a 351 Windsor engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission. It has been recently upgraded with a new carburetor, though the brakes are a bit sensitive and may need a booster replacement. The tires, however, are in good condition. As an icon of the American muscle car era, this Torino stands as a solid option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic ride. Its design and power make it an appealing choice for anyone wanting to own a piece of automotive history at a reasonable price. Number 3. Listed in Munith, Michigan for $4,000, this 1976 Ford F-150 offers a rugged option for classic truck enthusiasts. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 4x4 engine, the truck is still running but does need some repairs, including a dented driver's side fender. While the truck has a number of new parts installed, the current owner hasn't had the time to complete the restoration. With its solid foundation and potential, this F-150 could be a great project for someone looking to restore a classic. The combination of new components and its tough build make it a promising choice for anyone interested in classic trucks. This truck provides a unique opportunity to bring a piece of automotive history back to life. Number 4. Priced at $4,800, this 1978 Camaro Z28 is available in Jefferson, Wisconsin. It comes with an automatic transmission and a 350 V8 engine, though the engine is currently non-functional and requires repair or replacement. The car itself is quite solid, making it an excellent choice for Camaro enthusiasts looking to undertake an LS swap or a full restoration. The seller is even willing to deliver the vehicle locally or farther for an additional fee. This Camaro provides a great opportunity for a restoration project, offering the foundation of a classic American muscle car with plenty of potential for customization or rebuild. Number 5. This 1977 Buick Riviera is listed in Salida, California for $4,000. While the car is currently non-functional and requires towing, it boasts a straight, rust-free body. The interior does need some repairs, and it also requires a tune-up and a new battery. Despite these challenges, this Riviera presents a fantastic opportunity to own a classic American coupe with significant restoration potential. Its sleek design and luxurious features are characteristic of 70s automobiles, making it a desirable project for enthusiasts. With some dedicated effort, this Buick could be transformed into a stunning example of classic luxury. Don't miss out on the chance to breathe new life into this iconic vehicle and enjoy the experience of restoring a true piece of automotive history. Number 6. Listed in Fort Hood, Texas for $4,500, this 1978 Chevrolet 2500 features a recently rebuilt 454 engine and an automatic transmission. Unfortunately, the engine has sustained damage to one of the piston rods and requires repair. The truck also needs work on the interior and electrical system. However, it comes with new front tires and complete documentation. This Chevrolet 2500 offers a solid foundation for a restoration project, making it an appealing choice for someone looking to invest time and effort into a classic truck. With its powerful engine and robust build, it has great potential for those willing to tackle the necessary repairs. Number 7. Priced at $14,800 and listed in Kennewick, Washington, this 1972 Mercury Montego MX is an intriguing classic car. It features a 351W V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning, providing both power and comfort. The vehicle is equipped with a new rear-end gear system, including a Posian locker, along with new Cooper Cobra 295 tires on the back. The body is clean and straight, although some minor rust is beginning to appear. The interior remains in very good condition, considering its age, showcasing the car's well-maintained history. This Montego MX represents an excellent opportunity for classic car enthusiasts seeking a reliable and stylish ride with plenty of character. Number 8. Priced at $2,500, this 1981 Chevrolet 1500 is an affordable option for classic truck enthusiasts. Located in Tacoma, Washington, this truck currently serves as a daily driver for its owner, showcasing its reliability and practicality. While it has some cosmetic issues, such as minor scratches and wear, it still functions well and is suitable for those in need of a dependable vehicle. This Chevrolet 1500 is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking for a classic truck without breaking the bank. With its sturdy build and versatility, it can easily serve as a reliable workhorse or a fun project for someone looking to restore and customize it. Whether you're a collector or simply seeking a dependable ride, this truck offers great potential and represents a piece of American automotive history at a reasonable price. Don't miss out on this chance. Number 9. This 1966 Dodge Polara is a stunning classic survivor, listed for $4,500 in Kennewick, Washington. Powered by a 383 big block engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission, this Polara comes equipped with air conditioning, power brakes, and power steering. The car is in outstanding condition, featuring no dents or missing trim, making it an exceptional addition to any Dodge enthusiast's collection. Its classic design and powerful engine reflect the quality of American muscle cars from the era. Whether you're looking for a car to show off at classic car events or a reliable ride with plenty of character, this Polara offers both charm and performance. Don't miss the chance to own this beautiful piece of automotive history. Number 10. This 1967 Toyota Corolla is listed in Spanaway, Washington for just $750. While it comes only with a bill of sale and no official documents, it offers a great opportunity for a small restoration project. The engine still turns over and has potential to be brought back to life. This affordable price makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to start a Japanese classic car restoration. The Corolla's iconic design and reliability add to its appeal, making it a worthwhile investment. With some dedicated effort, this vehicle could be transformed into a charming piece of automotive history. Don't miss the chance to revive this classic and enjoy the restoration journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Car Quest for more exciting classic car reviews. See you in the next video.